Sensor Earth, always linked to the wall cabinet, will quickly report Middle East war updates. Iran warns Starlink satellites are now valid attack targets. This is Shiraz, Iran. A large amount of smoke is rising over the skies of Shiraz. It appears that Shahid Daskaib International Airport has also been targeted. This is Isfahan, Iran. Israeli forces bombed Mobarake Steel Company and Khuzestan Steel Company in Isfahan. This is Bandar Abbas, Iran. US airstrikes targeted the Iranian Marine Corps base in Bandar Abbas, Iran, about 3 times. This is Beirut, Lebanon. An Israeli drone attacked a vehicle in the Kaldi area in southern Beirut. This is Beirut, Lebanon. The Junha area near Zahra Hospital and City Star Shopping Mall in Beirut was attacked. This was an Israeli military attack. Israel has just carried out an airstrike on the An-Najariya district in southern Lebanon. This is Erbil, Iraq. 2 drones intercepted. There was a concentrated attack in Erbil, Iraq. Debris is falling everywhere. An Iranian missile landed near a US airbase in the Middle East, forcing everyone into shelters and nearly causing a major accident. US Central Command released photos of precision-guided weapons targeting Iran's underground military sites. The Israeli military recently said they struck a Hezbollah rocket launcher in southern Lebanon. This is a video currently circulating on social media. It is reported that the US military launched an ATAS EMS from Kuwait toward Iran. The George Bush aircraft carrier is currently heading to the Middle East. Admiral Daryl Caudle, Chief of Naval Operations, also stated that the Ford aircraft carrier's mission could be extended by another 11 months. US President Donald Trump said that the United States could halt military attacks on Iran within 2 or 3 weeks. He added that Iran does not need to reach an agreement with the US to resolve the conflict. These remarks only highlight how the US administration's position on how to end the Iran war, now entering its 5th week, is constantly changing. The US Secretary of State said the goal of the Middle East war is clear: to eliminate Iran's nuclear capability and missile threat. According to a Reuters Ipsos poll, 2/3 of Americans want the war with Iran to end quickly, even if the goals are not achieved. In the poll, about 66% of respondents expressed that view, while 27% said the US should strive to achieve all its objectives in Iran, even if the conflict lasts a long time. 6% did not answer the question. Iran's Chief Justice, Mohsen Ejei, was killed in an attack by Israeli forces. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi said in an interview with Al Jazeera that the Strait of Hormuz is the territorial waters of Iran and Oman, and is not international waters. He said Iran and Oman have the right to use the strait strategically. A CNN reporter in Iran described the city as lifeless. With no water or electricity and ongoing bombings, a civilian uprising is considered nearly impossible. Israeli Defense Minister Yisrael Katz stated that all houses in the Lebanese border villages would be destroyed. He said that following the Rafah model in Gaza, all houses and villages near the Lebanese border would be destroyed. It is reported that Israelis living in the West Bank have set a goal to eliminate all Palestinian residents of the West Bank. A Wall Street report from last month says the United Arab Emirates is ready to help the US and allies open the Strait of Hormuz by force. Arab officials say Gulf countries like Saudi Arabia have now abandoned the Iranian regime and want the war to continue until it is neutralized or overthrown. If more news comes out, I'll make and upload a video. I will end the video here. Thank you.
Ja.